Annyeong!
Guys!
Konnichiwa.
So yon, we are the Bukads.
Bubog sa Akads.
On our video tutorial video about linear equations of order 1 sa differential equations na subject. So yon, roll the intro. Dun, dun, dun. So yun nga, we're here to discuss about linear differential equations of order 1.
But first, ano nga ba yung linear equation of order 1, partner?
Yon, ang linear differential equation ay associated sa mga homogeneous equations na may constant coefficients na pwedeng isolve by quadrature, which means that the solutions may be expressed in terms of integrals. Yon.
Actually, partner, maraming paraan upang masolve ang isang differential equation. Nandyan si...
Separation of variables, homogeneous,
Exact.
meron din exact,
Mhm.
at marami pang iba. So,
Itong tutorial video na to ay magfo-focus sa pag-solve ng differential equation using linear equation.
yon. So, ang linear equation of order 1 ay merong form na ganito. dy over dx plus pxy is equal to qx. Yon. So, ang general solution naman nun ay nasa form ng
Y times e raised to the integral of p dx is equal to the integration of q times e raised to the integral of p dx plus c.
So, yon. Merong dalawang method sa pagsasolve ng linear equations. Sa method 1, kukuhanin si integrating factor, tas ita-times dun sa buong equation. While sa method 2 naman, ay yung na-mention nga namin, na yung y, yon. Ito. Ching. So, yon. Sa ngayon, makikita lang natin na napakahalaga ng pag-solve ng integrating factor. Pero, magkaiba pa siya ng gamit sa pagsasolve ng linear equation. Sa ngayon, hindi pa natin siya magigets. Pero, sa tulong ng ating mga example, mauunawaan din natin ito. So, yon. For our first example, yan. Ching! Yan, tapos na.
Go. So, una isulat natin yung buong given. So, 2 times the quantity 2xy plus 4y minus 3 dx plus the quantity x plus 2 quantity squared dy is equal to 0. So, una, makikita natin na kaya nating i-factor out yung 2y para ma-isolate yung x plus 2 para magkaroon ng common factor yung dalawa. So, magiging 2 times the quantity 2y quantity x plus 2 minus 3 dx plus x plus 2 quantity squared dy equals 0. So, ngayon, i-divide natin yung i-divide natin yung dalawa by quantity x plus 2 quantity squared. X plus 2 quantity x. Dinivide natin siya by quantity x plus 2 quantity squared dx para ma-isolate natin yung dy over dx. So, magiging ano na lang siya. I-simplify na din natin yung 2 times 2, pagkaka-distribute ng 2. So, magiging 4y minus, 4y times the quantity x plus 2. Quantity minus 6 plus dy over dx. Wait, meron pa tong over na. X plus 2 quantity squared. Tapos, pag-ihiwalayin natin yung 4y quantity x plus 2 over quantity x plus 2 squared, saka 6 over x plus 2, quantity squared, plus dy over dx equal to 0. Wait, makakancel yung x plus 2 dun sa 4y. Magiging 4y over x plus 2 minus 6 over quantity x plus 2 quantity squared plus dy over dx equals 0. Tapos pwede din natin i-factor out yung y from dito. Tapos, pag nakuha na natin to, pwede na natin siyang gawing, yung form niya, pwede na natin gawing linear dun sa y. So, magiging dy over dx plus the quantity 4 over x plus 2, quantity y is equal to 6 over the quantity x plus 2, quantity squared. Tapos, makukuha na natin doon yung p, which is 4 over x plus 2. Tapos yung q natin ay 6 over the quantity x plus 2 quantity squared. So, meron na nga tayong p na 4 over x plus 2. Yung p natin, yun yung magiging integrating factor natin. Gagamitin natin para sa integrating factor. Ang integrating factor ay e raised to integration ng p of x. So, magiging e raised to integration ng 4 over x plus 2 dx. Magiging e raised to 4 integration ng dx over x plus 2 equal to e raised to, ang integration ng dx over x plus 2 ay ln x plus. So, pwede natin i-simplify yung equation natin gamit ang inverse power rule. So, magiging e of ln x plus 2 raised quantity raised to 4. Tapos, ang e raised to ln ay pwede nating makancel kasi ang kasi may rule na e raised to ln x ay x na lang yung matitira. So, ang matitira na lang natin ay yung equation na x plus 2 raised to 4. So, yun na yung magiging integrating factor natin. Yeah.
God.
So, gamit yung integrating factor, meron tayong dalawang method kung saan pwede siyang gamitin. So, ito yung first method. So, i-multiply natin yung both sides by x plus 2 are quantity raised to 4. So, wait na. Sulat natin. Times dy over. Wala na akong harang tinta. So, yan. So, ang mangyayari dyan, maka-isolate natin yung dy over dx times x plus 2 quantity 2 plus the quantity. Makakancel yung x plus 2 dun sa denominator. 4 times x plus 2 cube y is equal to 6 times x plus 2. Ano? So, pwede natin makuha ang integration ng d of x plus 2 raised to 4 y is equal to integration ng 6x plus 2 squared. So, yun. Pwede na tayo mag-proceed sa integration. Magiging x plus 2 raised to 4y is equal to 6 times the quantity 3 squared ay magiging ay pwede natin gamitin ang power rule. So, magiging 3 times x plus 2 raised to 3 over 3 plus c. X plus 2 raised to 4y is equal to 6 times x plus 2 cube over 3 plus c. Yan yung integration ng kanina. So, i-divide natin both sides by x plus, i-simplify muna natin yung 6 over 3. So, magiging x plus 2 to the 4th y is equal to 2 times x plus 2 quantity cube plus c. Para ma-isolate natin yung y, i-divide natin both sides by x plus 2 raised to 4. So, matitira yung y equals 2 over the quantity x plus 2 plus c over x plus 2 raised to 4. So, yun na yung final answer natin. Yun na yun. Basta.
You make me feel special. 세상이 아무리 날 주저앉혀도 아프고 말들이 날 찔러도 네가 있어 난 다시 웃어. That's what you do. How can I feel special? 아무것도 아닌 존재 같다가도 잘해줘도 내 사랑 같다가도 내 부르는 네 목소리에 I'm
1. So, itong P, ang gagamitin natin sa ating integrating factor. Kagaya lang nung kanina. So, ang ating magiging integrating factor ay, ang formula niya ay E raised to the integration of P dy.
So, kukuha lang ako ng scratch pa.
So, from our equation, E raised to integration of P dy, susulat lang natin yung P, which is itong ating P. Okay? Yan. E raised to the integration of 4 over y plus 1 dy. So, gamit ang constant multiple rule, labas lang natin itong 4. E raised to 4 integration of dy over y plus 1. So, ngayon, kukuhanin na natin ang integration nito, which is the ln of y plus 1. Okay? E is equal to raised to 4 ln of y plus 1. So, gamit naman ang inverse rule, yung 4 magiging
Power.
So, gamit ang inverse power rule, i-raise ito sa 4. Okay? Then, y plus 1 raised to 4. So, yun. Ang ating e to the ln ay x. So, ang ating magiging final integrating factor ay e is equal to y plus 1 raised to 4. Ayan, meron na tayong integrating factor. Okay. So, ayan. Sa ating method 2, meron tayong general formula na x e raised to the p dy equals to integration of q, which is yung ating kinuha kanina, tapos yung e raised to the integration of p dy plus c. So, ayan. Ito na yung ating general equation. So, balikan lang natin yung kanina nating mga nakuhang values. So, we got e integration of p dy. So, ito yon. Tapos, itong ating p. At itong ating q. So, sasubstitute lang natin itong lahat na nakuha nating value sa ating general equation. Okay? So, we got x raised to multiply by y plus 1 raised to the 4 is equal to the integration of q, itong ating q, y over y plus 1, tapos yung ating e raised to the integration of p dy, ito, to the 4. So, ayan. Okay. So, ayan. Simplifying our equation, we got x1 to the 4 is equal to integration of y by y plus 1 q dy plus c. So, ayan. Meron na tayong general equation. Go. So, para na makuha natin ang integration nito, kailangan natin ng mag-integration by parts. At para magawa yon, tutulungan tayo ng isa nating kasamang si Leonel para ipakita ko paano ba nangyayari ang integration by parts.
Ayan, so we're here. We're going to do the integration by parts of this particular given that was computed by Wilson. The given that was introduced to me by Wilson is
Kailangan natin ng
x. The given that was transferred to me by Wilson is x quantity y plus 1 raised to 4 is equals to the integration of y quantity y plus 1 cube dy plus c. For this particular moment, let us just leave c here. Then let's proceed. So for this particular time, let's just copy the x quantity y plus 1 raised to 4 and equate it in this particular portion. And in this particular portion, in order for us to compute for this particular portion, let us assign values. So let u be equals to y. Meanwhile, the derivative of u will be dy. Then let's have our dv. Our dv would be equals to y plus 1. Meanwhile, y plus 1 cube. And the v, we can get the v by integrating this particular portion, which is the y plus 1 cube, and the integration of this particular part is 1/4 multiplied by 1 plus 1, y plus 1 rather, and 3 plus 1 will be the exponent, which is 4. Now that we have assigned the values, now let's simplify our equation. Our first equation, which is x quantity y plus 1 raised to 4 is equals to u times v minus the integration of v du. By means of substitution, we're going to substitute our assigned values to our equation. Copy this one. Is equals to u, our u is equals to y, quantity 1/4 of quantity y plus 1 to the 4 minus the integration of our v, which is 1/4 quantity y plus 1 raised to the 4 multiplied by our dy. So actually, this particular portion, we can just simplify this particular portion, and later on, before simplifying such particular part, we must first integrate this portion. Copy this one. And integrate. The integration of 1/4 y plus 1 raised to 4 would be 1/4 multiplied by 1/5 quantity y plus 1 raised to the exponent plus 1 would be 5, and then integration of the dy will be removed. Simplify. X quantity y plus 1 raised to 4 is equals to 1/4 multiplied by y quantity y plus 1 raised to 4 minus 1/20 y plus 1 raised to 5. And this will be our equation. I will transfer you to Wilson so that he can teach you another method in order to solve this integration by parts. Will solve?
So, okay. Continue pa rin.
So, ngayon naman, ituturo ko naman ang shortcut method ng IBP using the tabular method. So, okay, game. Wala kang scratch. Using integrating this, makikita nyo ang ating kailangang ma-integrate ay y, the quantity of y plus 1 raised to 3. Okay? Sulat natin. Integration of y plus 1 raised to 3. So, dito sa dalawa, hahanapin nyo kung alin ang madaling i-zero using derivation. So, gamit nga pala ang tabular method, tayo ay mag-derive at mag-integrate. Yan. Gaya nga ng sabi ko kanina, hahanap kayo dito sa ating equation ng kung alin ang mas madaling i-zero. So, namimili kayo dito sa y at y plus 1. So, kita naman natin na mas madaling i-derive ang y papuntang 0. So, ilipat natin siya dito. And then next, yung isa naman ay ililipat natin dito para sa integration. Okay. Y, kapag dinerive natin ang y, may makukuha tayong 1. Pag dinerive ulit natin ang 1, makukuha tayong 0. Dito naman, kailangan nating i-integrate kung hanggang saan inabot ang row. Okay? So, y plus 1 raised to 4 over 4. Then, i-integrate ulit natin y plus 1 raised to 5 over 20. Okay, yan. Ngayon, kailangan mag-assign tayo ng sign na plus, minus, plus. So, itong sign na to ang gagamitin natin kapag i-multiply na natin siya. So, i-multiply natin ang nakuha nating mga values diagonally. Paano? So, ganito yan. Y multiplied by y plus 1 raised to the 4 over 4. So, lista natin. Okay? Y times y plus 1 raised to the 4 over 4. Then, ito naman, diagonal ulit. Tapos, yung kanyang sign. Dito yan. Minus y plus 1 raised to 5 over 20. So, since dito ay 0 na, 0 multiplied by anything will be 0, kaya hindi na natin isusulat. So, ito na yung ating final answer. Isi-simplify ko lang para mas makita natin ng ayos. Okay. So, tingnan natin kung parehas ang nakuha kong sagot sa sagot na nakuha kanina ni Leonel. Okay, tingnan natin. So, ang sagot kanina ni Leonel ay 1/4 y, a quantity of 1 plus 1 raised to the 4th, minus 1 over 20 times y plus 1 raised to the 5th. So, tingnan natin ang aking sagot. So, parehas siya. 1 over 4 y 1 over 4y multiplied by y plus 1 raised to the 4 minus 1 over 20 plus y plus 1 1 over 20 times y plus 1 raised to the 5th. And ayun, parehas sila. Pero huwag nyo kakalimutan maglagay ng plus c since ito ay integration. So ayun yung shortcut ng integration by parts. So back to our topic. So ayun, susulat na lang natin yung nakuha nating sagot kanina dito sa ating mismong sinusolve na problem, okay? Sulat lang natin x times y plus 1 raised to the 4th is equal to 1/4 y times y plus 1 raised to the 4th minus 1 over 20 times y plus 1 raised to the 5th plus c. Okay, yan. So, itong part na to ay kailangan nating i-multiply by 20 in order to cancel out the fraction. Okay? Multiply natin itong part na to sa 20. So, ngayon magkakaroon ng 20x times y plus 1 to the 4th equals 5y plus 1 raised to the 4th minus y plus 1 raised to the 5th plus c, 20c. Ayan. Ngayon, so ayan, i-divide natin siya sa y plus 1 raised to the 4th para mawala at makuha lang natin yung kanyang x kasi yun yung hinahanap. So ayan, y plus 1 raised to 4. So dito makakancel na ngayon to, tapos ito makakancel din parehas, tapos ito magkakancel yung 4 at 5, magiging 1 na lang. So rewrite natin, 20x is equal to 5y minus y plus 1 plus 20c over y plus 1 raised to 4.
So, yan.
Meron tayong final answer.